Warren Buffett is one of the smartest stock investors who has some big plans for 2024. What are they? Here are the stocks he is bidding on this year. Apple, AAPL. Buffett suggests investing with AAPL.
I think Apple was much more of a consumer products business in terms of the...
Despite Apple's outsized position, he added over 20 million shares last year. Apple aligns with Buffett's criteria, and currently, the concerns exist about Apple's high valuation, trading at nearly 27 times forward-year earnings. Bank of America, BAC. A top holding for Buffett, BAC is another choice. Warren Buffett values banks for their cyclical nature and gains from the Federal Reserve's rate hikes, boosting net interest income. As long as the stock hovers around its book value, Buffett expects potential for additional shares this year. Occidental Petroleum, OXY. Occidental's reliance on drilling positions it to benefit from sustained or rising crude prices, though its balance sheet, with $18.6 billion in net debt, raises concerns. Warren Buffett is bidding big on this one. Capital One Financial, COF. The investment in Capital One is a major focus for Buffett for its cyclicality and value. As one of the largest credit card issuers, Capital One benefits from the economic rebound and declining U.S. savings rates. Berkshire Hathaway, BRK.B. Buffett demonstrates confidence in his own company, approving over $72 billion in share repurchases over 21 consecutive quarters. Buffett's strategic moves in these stocks has been put forward with a keen eye on potential risks and long-term value creation. So, if the investment idea of Warren Buffett has moved you, click on the link in the description to start your investing journey with unlimited, commission-free trading platform.